In this video I will explain how to install a CodeMeter license for our T1-HOST software. First, I will explain the preconditions. Second, the procedure of CodeMeter license activation will show. Third, you will learn how to check whether the activation was successful. Then the handling for cloud licenses will be explained. You need a CodeMeter dongle plugged to the host machine. An example is shown on the right side. Other variants are also supported. During installation, you need an internet connection with port 22350 opened. CodeMeter runtime software must installed on the host machine. How to check this? Go to Windows Start menu and enter CodeMeter Control Center. Start the CodeMeter Control Center app. If the CodeMeter runtime is not installed, please follow the steps in CodeMeter User Help CHM, referenced at the end of this video. Next step is the activation of the license. You should receive an email from Gliwa team with similar content like on the slide. Important is the link with the ticket for the license activation. The link points to CodeMeter Gliwa Web Depot. You have to choose the CM container on which the license should be installed. Push the activation button and wait for result. This will take some time. To check whether the license was transferred successfully, let us go back to CodeMeter Control Center. Start the CodeMeter Web Admin interface with the button in the right corner. You should see your license feature loaded into your CM container. The following step is optional, updating the time certificate, which have to be done at least once at the beginning of license runtime. Go back to CodeMeter Control Center and start process, update time certificate. If you do not want to do it during license activation, T1-HOST software will try to update the time certificate regularly, but this requires an internet connection. Let's describe the installation of cloud licenses now, which is quite straightforward. As precondition, port 443 must be open to connect to the cloud infrastructure, and you must receive a WBC file from Gliwa license team which contains the certificate for the CM cloud container. For installation, just drag and drop the WBC file to CodeMeter Control Center. Finally, activate your license like described before. If you have any issues during license activation, please contact license@gliwa.com. In the CodeMeter User Help CHM, which is located in the T1-HOST software installation folder, you will find detailed information CodeMeter licensing for T1. Thank you for your attention.